Well, I got a hole I need to fill in. I got a whole lot of time gone by. Think I'm gonna hole up down by still water, filling that hole with what I find. 'Cause I got a shovel, carry it around. I got a bucket to keep what I found. Dig a little hole, make a little hill. Gonna keep on digging till I get my fill. 'Cause I dig red dirt, man, I dig it deep. It gets on my shirt, gets in my teeth. Stick to my shovel, make me dig real slow. I dig red dirt, 'cause it fills my hole. Well, I got a way to make things better. I got a way, what's on my mind. I got a way, what don't matter. Man, I got a way on down the line. I dig for music, I dig around. I got a bucket full of songs that I found. When the wind sings to me high up in the blackjack trees, I put it with the other songs I pack around. 'Cause I dig red dirt, man, I dig it deep. It gets on my shirt, gets in my teeth. Stick to my shovel, make me dig real slow. I dig red dirt, fills my hole. I dig red dirt, 'cause it cures my soul. I dig red dirt, till the cows come home. Forgot I had my red dirt shirt on. It does get on my shirt. I travel a lot. In this business, you tend to travel a lot, just because that's part of it. I just got back from Washington, as a matter of fact. Rolled in. I was in Washington this morning. Had coffee in Lincoln, Washington. Bagel in Dallas. Starbucks in Seattle when I came through, though. That was good. But the trip before that I took was go get my buddy from San Diego and bring him back home. And we planned this for months and had our plan together, and then got the truck all fixed. And man, I got it all timed out, and I could fly out there. And he picks me up at the airport, and we take off for Oklahoma. And we're like, yeah, Matt, we're gonna go back to Oklahoma. All right, buddy, we got it. We got about 200 miles, and the transmission spins out on the truck. We were in the middle of nowhere. You couldn't see a light. You couldn't see it. There was one tower about 30 miles away, and you could see the lights of the Mexican border down there, and the river was spitting distance from us, and we were just there, you know. We couldn't do anything. It was us and the dog. So we got towed into El Centro and met a guy named Tio that had a transmission shop. Turns out this guy is a hot rod builder, and there was a hot rod show in town that weekend, and we went to pick up the truck, and there's about 5 hot rods in there, all jacked up, and he's doing stuff to them to get them ready for the show, and working on suspensions and motors and trannies, and when he gave us the truck back, he said, "You're going to hear it shift an extra time. Don't worry about that. And this is an automatic." And he says, "I stuck an extra gear in there for you."
That way you'd have a spare.
He said, yeah. He said it just makes it grab a little better when you go to pass somebody. So this is the El Centro Blues. What were it, 5 days we were there? Down on the border, in a border town, 2 in the morning, and my truck broke down. Off in the distance, I can see the glow. Must be the lights, oh, Mexico. Broke down in El Centro, what a beautiful sight. Guess I'll drink some Modelo while they fix up my ride. And I wanna leave here, but the cards fell just right. The 4-8's on the river made us stay one more night. Walked the dog, found a local bar, racked over a table, did a deal out by the car. Then we had a little smoke while we took a little ride. It's down in El Centro, baby, you got nothing to hide. Broke down in El Centro, what a beautiful sight. Drink some Modelo while they fix up my ride. Well, I wanna leave here, but the cards fell just right. The 4-8's on the river made us stay a while. motor down on the road. The Tio's Transmission in El Centro, California. So I'm pretty good during the week. I'm pretty good during the week. But on the weekend, I might, I might put a little extra sweetener in my coffee or something on a Saturday morning. I think we've earned that by the time we get through the week. That's kind of where this song started. Then I walked upstairs and saw my muse putting on her makeup. Kind of sat there and watched her without her knowing it for a little bit. Pour me some coffee with that dark moonshine. For me, I think I'm about to lose my mind. Make most of my living with my back and my hands. I can't do it like I used to, but I do it like I can. I still get moving, still get around, still get rocking. I still get down. I get the most I can. Every move I make, I may move a little slower, a little smaller step I take, but I still get moving. Still get moving. She puts on her makeup in the morning light. She has to admit it seems just a little too bright. Still feels like 20 from that look in her eye. And she still gets a smile when she walks by some guy. She still gets moving, still gets around, still gets rocking. She still gets down. She gets the most she can. Every move she makes, she may move a little slower, but she still bakes that cake. She still get a moving. Still get a moving. Still get a moving. Pour me some coffee with that dark moonshine. For me, I think I'm about to lose my mind. Make most of my living with my back and my hands. I can't do it like I used to, but I do it like I can. I still get around, still get around, still get rocking. I still get down, I get the most I can. And every move I make, I may move a little slower, a little smaller step I take, but I still get a moving. Still get moving. Still get moving. I hate flying, but I love driving. I like getting there quick, but I don't like the process it takes to get there quick at all. I feel like they treat me like a criminal the minute I drive onto the property, and they're just suspicious of me. I just don't like that environment. So I drive when I can. You get broke down and stuff, but it's better in airports. There's just something about being on the road. Time goes by like you're dead heading home. You're looking up ahead when you got somewhere to go. There's just something about being on the road. Well, you could take an aeroplane high up in the sky. You have to take your shoes off before they let you fly. They tell you where to sit, they tell you where to stand, tell you you could go to jail for smoking in a can. There's just something about being on the road. Time goes by like you're dead heading home. You're looking up ahead when you got somewhere to go. There's just something about being on the road. Well, now you may grow a salty street, take a ship to sea. Some blow diesel out the stack and others ride the breeze. But with the water deep below you and the land so far away, Davy Jones is always lurking just beneath the waves. Well, now these suns come down behind me. My shadow's racing on ahead. That waving wheat been loaded on that train and pulled 100 cars, 100 being dead. So now I'd rather throw my suitcase in the back end of my truck. Where checking in my luggage means I put the tailgate up. I don't have to let them search me. I don't have to be on time. I always get my favorite seat and I never stand in line. There's just something about being on the road. Time goes by like you're dead heading home. You're looking up ahead when you got somewhere to go. There's just something about being on the road. There's just something about being on the road. The high desert rider. Scott Carson, our special guest tonight.
Special guest in Rodeo.
Well, I'm heading out to an open shore. I'm going down. Whiskey and ladies in my younger heydays, they're all so remote to me now. A heavy song just for crying my feelings, and all of the lines have an end. And I'll sing of my sorrows and of my tomorrows, but none can ring true where I've been. Well, I'm running out of unbridled memories, taking my leave, turning my lifetime into my last line. Lord, I feel I'm deceived. My heavy song is for crying my feelings, and all of the lines have ended. And I'll sing of my sorrows and of my tomorrows, none can ring true where I've been. Well, I know I won't leave here, for the one thing I do fear is the day I grow cold. Some sing for millions, and some in pavilions, but I just want to sing when I'm old. Now a heavy song just for crying my feelings, and all of the lines have an end. And I'll sing of my sorrows and of my tomorrows, none can ring true where I've been. No, none can ring true where I've been. Thank you. Off my first album. Sometimes it comes back to haunt you. I love that just want to sing when I'm old. It's like, ooh. Huh. Here we are, made it. give me 16 tons of motor get. Another day older and deeper dead. St. Peter, don't you call me, for I can't go. I owe my soul to the communist store. I was born in the morning when the sun didn't shine. Picked up my shovel and I walked through the mine. I loaded 16 tons, number 94, and the shop boss said, well, bless my soul. Give me 16 tons of motor you get. Another day over and deeper. St. Peter, don't they call me, for I can't go. I owe my soul to the communist store. Fighting in trouble is my middle name. Raised in a king break fight, oh mama line. Ain't no high tone woman make me walk that line. Give me 16 tons of motor to get. Another day older and deeper. St. Peter, don't you call me, oh my can't go. I owe my soul to the communist store. See a big gun, better step aside. A lot of men did and a lot of men died. One pistol fine, the other one to steal. And the right one don't got you, and the left one will get 16 tons of motor you got. Another day older and deeper. St. Peter, don't you call me, don't you think go. I owe my soul to the communist store. Throw the money on the floor until it buries us knee high.
This lower your expectations if I handed you this?
Spider-Town is my new friends. New between frets and I sure would be obliged if I could share your company. I'm on my way from nowhere, running from my past, running from the things I used to be. Now I know my words sound strange to you, but if you wait till the song is sung and the story is told, you might come to understand it. Why I'm old and bent and the devil spent running out of town. Not long ago I held a royal flush in my hand, and I was a supermarket fool. I was a motor pain. style. And there was Spider John, the robber man, long and tall and handsome. Yeah, there was Spider John with a loaded hand, taking ransom. Then one day I met Dunlap. She was the sweetest thing. I declare that the summer wind would ever blow my way. Lily, she had no idea my illustrious occupation. She thought I was a saint, not a sinner gone astray. Spider, he loved that Lily so much. Could not confess his sins, for he knew if he did, Lily would surely take her leave. But you know that the word got around, Lily left town, and he never saw her again. Tossing and turning and causing his heart to grieve. And I was a stupid, not a fool. I was a water-bank stupid John. Lord, I thought I paid my dues, but I found the life to suit my style. And there was Spider John, the robber man, long, tall, and handsome. Yeah, there was Spider John with a loaded hand, taking ransom. Been these 30 years since I took to the road to find my precious jeweled one. And if you see my Lily, won't you give her my regards? Tell her old Spider got tangled in the black web that he spun. Won't you tell her old Spider got tangled in the black web that he spun? Shining in the sky, no moon. The Milky Way is floating by, no moon. I should be sleeping in my bed, but the stars are shooting by me like a freeway overhead. No moon, no moon. it blow. Cool breeze, making music soft and low. Cool breeze, I feel it coming when it hits the trees. Oh, I've been waiting for you since 104 degrees. Cool breeze, cool breeze. Sitting out behind the house, we're taking in the sights. We're not really even talking much, we ain't got much to say. But we'll be here at least another hour anyway, so sit on down, stick around. We got a cool breeze, but no moon, no moon, no moon, no moon. I live in no moon now. Nobody can see her as well. Said the joker to the thief, there's too much confusion, I can't get no relief. This man that drank my wine, found and digged my earth. Now we'll let it all mine. Nobody love anymore. It was a hot, crackling summer. Near the end, as I recall, when that sky came boiling down and that twister hit the ground. Word was there wasn't nothing left out north of town. I had a little visit from an old friend. She gets a little love hand, as you can see. You better spread the word around. Destiny is back in town. She's a little out of sorts. You better let her be. When I was young, I took love lightly. I threw it hard and far away. It was a lesson to be learned. Play with fire and you'll get burned. I tell you now, it's not a price you wanna pay. You'll have a little visit from an old friend. She gets a little love hand, as you can see. You better spread the word around. The destiny is back in town. She's a little out of sorts. You better let her be. Ooh, destiny. Ooh, let me be. Ooh, destiny. She's a little out of sorts. You better let her be. I woke up, watched you sleeping. I watched the moonlight on your face. And as I laid my head back down, the memories were spinning round like some twist of raising hell out north of town. I had a little visit from an old friend. She gets a little love hand, as you can see. You better spread the word around. The destiny is back in town. She's a little out of sorts. You better let her be. Ooh, destiny. Ooh, let me be. Destiny. I'm a little out of sorts myself right now. You better let me be. What was that? We're gonna do one more, take a little break, retune, get the bottleneck out and have some fun for the last set. So stick around, don't go away. low. Tie him shut up, baby, like you do, you know. Wear your pants down low, and I'll follow you around, darling, everywhere you go. Baby, let's get down, baby. I'm gonna have a natural power. Let's get down, baby. I'm gonna have a natural power. 'Cause when you ain't feeling happy, you ain't no fun. You ain't happy, it ain't no fun. When you ain't feeling happy, you know it ain't no fun at all. We'll be back in a few minutes. I'm Chuck Dunlap. These are the High Desert Runners. Thank you for coming into the Dusty Dog.